how to cancel subscriptions on your iPhone. Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. But before that, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. It helps out a lot. And with that being said, let me show you how it's done. So for you to make sure that you want to cancel subscriptions that you might have made in the past, all you have to do is go to settings, and in settings you'll have to click on your profile, which is the first option in settings in iOS 15. And once you're here, all you have to do is go to subscriptions, and it takes a little time, but once you're in subscriptions it will show you all the active subscriptions that you have. But for my device currently there are none, so the fact that my subscriptions are not there over here doesn't mean that your page will also be empty like mine. You might have some subscriptions over there if you have active ones like Apple Music, Spotify and all those. And once you're in this page, all you have to do is click edit on the app that you want to cancel the subscription for. And once you click on the app, a page similar to this one will appear, and once you're here, all you have to do is click on cancel subscription, and that's it. Yeah, the money will not be deducted in the future, and yeah, the subscription will get cancelled. So I hope this video helped you guys. If it did, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.